Hi everyone, this is my first day in Doha and see what I found. This was my first place to visit. It's um it's a Venice in Doha. I don't remember the actual name of this place. Is it Cantara or Cantras or I don't know. I don't remember the name properly. It's it will take time to sink in my mind, but this was the first place, and literally it's a European Gulf. It's a Venice. It's a Venice in Gulf. The place is so beautiful. The houses, the color, the water channels. But unfortunately, I did this trip in Ramadan. So during the day, people are fasting. There's no much activity going on. Usually on a normal day or during evening, there are some boats on the water channels there that usually charge some fee and you get a boat ride. But on this day, there was no much activities. It's midday. It's literally midday. The sun was hot, so most of the people are inside, and it's free. The parking is free if you are planning to come here. And if you're in Doha and you've never been this place, come on, you're missing a lot, especially for those people who are residents, those people who stay here, and you've never been in Venice. You're missing a lot. Look at how that place is beautiful. Look at that beauty. So this is where I spent my first day. When I arrived in the morning, and I just went straight to my hotel. And after the hotel, I my friend took me. I have a friend of mine, a longtime colleague, who stays here. So this was the first stop that he dropped me. I checked on the Google before I came, so I had an idea of the things I want to see in Qatar. So don't forget to subscribe, share, and yeah, follow for more. I'll show you what I did on my next stop on the same day, but on the next stop. See you on the next video. Goodbye.